Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a welcome email in Beehiiv. Welcome emails are essential for greeting new subscribers and engaging them right from the start. Make sure that you have an active Beehiiv account with automation features enabled. And you have to make sure first that you already have your current plan before proceeding to the next step. So after you log into your Beehive, you will just have to click automation and then you will click welcome emails and click new email. Then you will enter the email subject line and click inside the body editor. You will type your image by then. Then you will use placeholders like first name for personalization. And then you will add images or buttons using insert toolbar. And after that, you will just have to click save and then you will activate to schedule. You can also, by the way, test by subscribing a dummy email or and then you will just have to check the delivery and layout. And by the way, keep welcome emails short and clear with a single CTA, which is call to action. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.